If you're seeing an invalid credentials error on Epic Games, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This problem is usually caused by something simple like a wrong password, a browser issue, a cache problem, or even a VPN blocking the login attempt. So before you assume your account is broken, let's go through the most effective fixes first. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. First, double check that your email and password are correct. This sounds obvious, but it's one of the most common reasons people get the invalid credentials message. Make sure there are no extra spaces, no typing mistakes, and that you're using the right email address tied to your Epic Games account. Also, check that caps lock is turned off, because one wrong uppercase letter can stop the login from working. If you've forgotten your password, use the password reset option before trying again. Next, try logging in from the Epic Games website instead of the launcher or app. Sometimes the issue is specific to the software you're using, and the website can help you confirm whether the problem is with your account or with the device. Open your browser, go to the official Epic Games sign-in page, and attempt to log in there. If it works on the website but not in the launcher, that usually points to a local issue on your device. After that, clear your browser or app cache. Cached files can sometimes store old login data or corrupted session information, and that can trigger the invalid credentials error. If you're using a browser, clear the cache and cookies for Epic Games, then close the browser completely and try again. If you're using the Epic Games launcher or mobile app, clear the app cache if that option is available, or restart the app after signing out and signing back in. Another important fix is to disable any VPN you might be using. Epic Games can sometimes flag login attempts coming from a VPN as suspicious, especially if the IP address changes a lot or looks unusual. Turn off the VPN completely, reconnect using your normal network, and then try logging in again. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If it still doesn't work, wait a few minutes and try again. Sometimes Epic Games has temporary login verification problems or rate limits after too many attempts in a short period of time. Repeatedly trying the same login over and over can make the issue worse, so step away for a few minutes, then come back and try with fresh credentials. If possible, also restart your device before trying again, because that can clear temporary network or session problems as well. Once you've gone through these steps, try signing in one more time on a clean browser session or fresh app launch. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the invalid credentials error and get you back into your Epic Games account. So to recap, check your email and password carefully, make sure caps lock is off, try the Epic Games website, clear your cache, disable your VPN, and wait a few minutes before trying again. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.